Hello there. Today we will be learning about Forex.
What is Forex? What the term used? What are we trading? Most important, how to make money.
Let's get into it. Time is money, and that's why we all here trying to figure out this puzzle of life. Forex is foreign exchange. The exchange of foreign currencies is a global market. It involves prediction of buying and selling of currency. Pip point in percentage. Bid offer to purchase an asset. Ask lowest price a seller will sell a stock. Bullish market when the price is rising. Bearish market when price is dropping. Spread difference between ask and bid. Long buy, short sell. Session in trading. 1. Forex operate 24 hours. 2. IT 5 days in weekdays. 3. Weekend market is closed. We have 3 Forex major sessions. 1. New York session. 2. London session. 3. Asian session. 3 well-known trading platforms. 1. TradingView. 2. MetaTrader 4. 3. MetaTrader 5. Here are some major pairs. 1. USD United States dollar. 2. GBP pound sterling Great Britain pound. 3. The euro. 4. JPY Japan's yen. 5. CHF Swiss franc. 6. NZD New Zealand dollar. How to trade Forex pairs. 1. We use candlestick. 2. Fundamentals. 3. Technical analysis. This is an introduction. More details on the net videos. Subscribe for more.